Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Okay, in this project I'll be showing you how to replace a dryer timer on a clothes dryer. First thing you want to do is pull the timer knob off. Just slide it off. We're going to go to the rear of the dryer now. One, two, three, four, five, 6 1/4-inch head screws that need to be removed. There's 4. There's 5. And that's 6. Now you're going to move the panel cover off. With a putty knife, you're going to slide the spring back to loosen the control panel. You're going to do that both sides. Both sides have a spring. Just get the putty knife and slide it underneath. Push the spring forward and it'll slide out and lay the control panel down. Now we're in the rear of the dryer once again. There's your timer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plugs that you had to remove to take off. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4. Also, there's the motor that also has to be unplugged. That's still on there right now. Quarter-inch bit to remove the timer. You have 2 screws, 2 1/4-inch screws, one on the left and one on the right, that mount the timer onto the panel. That's 1, and that's 2. And I have to disconnect the little motor, the timer to the motor to the timer, and now it's loose. There you go. Okay, to put the new timer on, those two dots right there, that and that, they line up on the base of the, see those two, 1, 2, that's where they line up at. So you just slide that right on there. That'll line your timer up in the right position. Get your 1/4-inch nut. Get your 1/4-inch screw. Hold the timer in place. And now you're screwing it into place. Get it kind of tight. Now you're going to screw the other screw, 1/4-inch head screw, on the right side. You plug in the motor, wiring, and all the other. Really simple timer installation. They all fit. They can only fit on one thing, so you can't put it on the wrong thing. Really simple. This is one of your easier timers to put on. And there you go. Your timer's on, wire's on, and now you just got to put the control panel back on. See the tabs right there, one tab that fits down into the little square holes of the top of the lid. Just slide that in first, and press down. That spring will lock in the front. There, it's just locked in the front on the left side, and I'm gonna press on the right side. The spring will lock in place. There you go. So now the control panel is on, and I have to mount the rear cover of the panel. Really simple to thing, really simple, not that hard. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be doing all kind of appliances that help you out, save you some good money. Okay, now what we're doing is putting the 1/4" screws back on. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment. That's 5. And that's 6. Remember, if these videos help you, hey, help out by giving up a little cash for the production of these videos, man. You might save $100, man. What's 10 or 15%? Help out the production of this of these videos. They will save you money. Okay, now we're gonna turn it around. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and donate. Slide that timer knob on, and you got your done deal. Okay, I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.